Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BoVD. Hope you guys having a great day, great night, good afternoon. Now, if you guys could tell by the title of this video, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. As you guys saw, I don't know if you guys saw the previous videos. If you guys didn't, make sure you guys click right here, watch that new video. But we did pick up a 2012 Nissan Nismo 370Z. So I'm gonna go ahead and start modding that up on the channel. I did get rid of the Q60, unfortunately. That's no longer part of the channel. So if you guys are sad about that and want to unsubscribe, it's understandable. I understand where you guys are coming from. But if you guys want to stay on and watch this build with this journey, it's going to be crazy. Make sure you guys stay subscribed, hit that thumbs up for me, drop a comment down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what I picked up for the new Nismo. The last video I did install a Tomei and ISR white pipe, so I did get that installed. I did get the tint done as well. I got 35 up front, limo all around, and then I did get the brakes and rotors done. I didn't film that though, because obviously I wasn't filming at the time. I'm going to link all this down in the comments for you guys, or the description, so you guys can pick it up. It's on Amazon. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what I picked up, guys. This is a 3M double-sided tape for the carbon fiber mirror caps. These are super clean. Check this out. So yeah, I don't know if you guys could tell, but yeah, this is some high quality carbon fiber mirror caps. I did buy this off Amazon. I believe it was like $102 with shipping, so not too bad. And it's really easy to install. I installed it on Everest 370 before. I did pick up this Nismo shift knob right here. This is a carbon fiber, real carbon fiber as well. It's a Nismo shift knob. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. And all right, y'all, take a look at this real quick. This looks crazy. It does have some pretty good weight to it. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this with the current shift knob that I have. And I picked up this super clean Michael Jordan right here. Check this out. The GOAT. It's a little air freshener, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this as well. And then I also picked up these lights from Flyride. These are gonna be license plates, and then these are gonna be the reverse lights, or either or. I'm not sure yet. I forgot which ones were which, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this, guys. And yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks, how bright they are at nighttime versus daytime, and yeah, show you guys the before and after. I also picked up this Nismo license plate frame cover, so this is going to be super clean, and I like the quality of this. This is like a metal, it's not plastic or anything, so this is a really good quality. And I did pick up some gloss black wrap, 3M, so I'm going to go install this on the roof and do a roof wrap, and then I might do the pillars as well, and maybe some little bits on the license plates. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned, and yeah, let's go ahead and get this installed, guys. This shift knob was like really bad. Like, I didn't even have a shift knob. Ever had to give me this one, so shout out to Everfu for hooking me up and giving me his OEM one. It was like 95 bucks, but fuck it, let's go and install this bitch. I think it just goes right on. Alright, you guys, I just got done with the install. It looks super clean. Yo guys, check out these stickers that I picked up right here. Shout out to my boy Angel for hooking me up. But yeah, these are going to be the caliper stickers that I'm going to be putting on the Akebonos when I do paint the calipers. As you guys know, I'm going to be painting the calipers. I'm going to do that sometime this weekend. I'm not gonna cap you guys, I haven't driven this car in about 2 weeks because I got the wheels dropped off to get powder coated about 2 weeks ago, and this has taken a long time. The guy said it'll take like a week, but it's been 2 weeks now, but I don't really care. Hey babe. Hey. I'm gonna install the carbon fiber mirror caps. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Sheesh. That looks crazy, guys. Check that out. It came out really clean. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Obviously, you guys can tell it is real carbon fiber. So I'm going to make sure I link this down below for you guys so you guys can take a look at it if you guys want to cop it. But yeah, I'm going to do the same for the next one right here, guys. And yeah, let's get this one done right here in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Just like that, guys. It's all done and clean. Sheesh. That shit looks nasty with it, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Honestly, this is one of the easiest installs I've done. So the next thing we're gonna install, guys, is gonna be the lights, because I don't like these yellow ass ugly lights right here. Look how ugly that looks. That got to go ASAP. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off. and replace it with some bright ass LED fly ride lights. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. Yeah, look at that. It lights up the ground all yellow and ugly. I don't care if those fall and break.
Oh my goodness. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm installing these LED reverse lights. Because they already know the other ones are ugly as fuck. And they look like they came from the 2000s.
Subscribe to the channel, you know.
Oh, yup. You guys heard it from my girl. Make sure you guys subscribe. But yeah, check that out. That looks crazy. I'm about to install the reverse lights right now, so it's going to look even crazier.
Doesn't match.
Yeah, that's a no. We got to get the LEDs in there. That looks ugly, huh?
Hella ugly.
Alright, you guys ready for this? Sheesh, you guys already know we're about to install this license plate. Some light. It is expired though, who cares? Of course that's a Tomeo, yup. Sheesh. That's probably the easiest install of the whole video, but yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Or actually no, I got one more thing actually. Let's come inside. I almost forgot. I'm gonna link this down below for you guys so you guys can cop it from Amazon. And yeah, fuck the black ice. Oh shit. Ooh, that smells fire. What?
Oh my God.
Smells like hookah. Bon.
But like a manly scent.
The flavor of Bon.
Bonza.
Just got the goat in my whip. Sheesh. Hell yeah, that looks fucking clean. But yeah guys, that's basically it. We installed the shift knob. We installed the carbon fiber mirror caps as you guys saw. Some light. I don't know if the camera can pick that up or whatever. We installed the reverse lights, the LED license plate bulbs, and then we also installed the license plate cover for the plates. So, but that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, drop that thumbs up, drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Peace.